Blubaru2 has a check engine light. What are we going to do? I'll show you coming up next. Okay, so Blubaru2 has a check engine light. So I see this happen a lot. People get the cart before the horse, so to speak, and they start putting hop-ups or modifications or turning up the car, adding things to it, pushing it harder before they actually fix any underlying problems, which is a huge no-no. Anytime you're going to cram more air and fuel through an engine that isn't already running properly, you're just asking for trouble, and you're asking to send that poor mill to Valhalla or somewhere worse. So we're going to show you the steps to go through and actually do it properly, get the thing running right before you start turning up the wick, so to speak. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in this code reader and get the codes off of it. That way we know what we're at least looking at and what we're researching for. Okay, step one, let's check the codes. Okay, so I pulled the codes and I had two codes. Both of them were for misfires, which is very common on these Subarus. It's usually spark plugs, can sometimes be coil packs, but I'm hoping that it was just the spark plugs. So we got plugs and we're gonna pop those in and see how it does. And hopefully that fixes the whole problem. We don't need to investigate any further and we can move on. If it doesn't fix the problem, well then I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do and the next steps to follow in that case. Gap looks a little large. Maybe that is the cause of the misfire. Hopefully it'll be a quick and easy fix. Now that we have the new plugs in and the code reset, let's take it for a spin, try it out, and see if we can get that light to stay off. It should tell us that we actually fixed the problem and we're good to start putting a little bit more power through this guy. Okay, I want to give everyone a quick update. Good news and bad news. We are down from 2 codes to 1 code. So 1 code came back. It was one of the misfire codes, but we were on the right track by replacing the plugs. That seemed to help the problem. The car does run a lot better, a lot smoother. It starts up better, idles smoother, everything like that. But 1 code did come back. So our next step is that we're going to do coil packs. Those are most likely the original 39,000 mile coil packs that came with the car. They are known for going out and being problematic, so we're going to replace those and hopefully that gets rid of the last code. Today we're not going to get that done. Got to go to work, got to go to the regular job, sell some motorcycles, but maybe Friday we'll get that done and we'll have another update maybe later on Friday and see if that fixes it. Before I go, just wanted to remind everyone to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow all the updates and see what we do next and how we fix this thing. See you soon.